So the other day I woke up my PC from sleep mode and boom, artifacts, glitches, whatever you call them, were all over the screen. It was working fine just the night before. I run a dual GPU and dual monitor setup, 3060 Ti and 1660 Ti. Yeah, I know 1660 Ti is kinda old now, but honestly I just like collecting GPUs. I still hold on to my 1050 Ti, complete with the original box, bag, stickers, CDs, whatever. Time to troubleshoot this. I of course did sudo pacman syu. For those who don't know, this updates the packages and the database. And then I checked the NVIDIA X server settings. I didn't see any errors or anything. Maybe display config was corrupted. I tried applying the same settings that worked before. Nope, didn't help. Next I tried to record a video using OBS. It worked fine, but artifacts were visible in the video. But what really confused me was why artifacts sometimes appear over apps and sometimes not. At this point I was thinking that 1660 Ti just died for no reason, so I unscrewed the side panel to check if GPUs were doing fine. First I checked the connections. It didn't help. Many people do not know, but bugs can actually kill your GPU, so I looked for any bugs around here. I didn't see any bugs though. After a quick break to touch some grass, I came back to further diagnose this. It turns out I'm not the first one to experience this on Linux. So I changed some lines in the config files. I could have just restarted the PC, but I had some projects and at least 15 tabs open on Chrome. Restarting felt like losing hours of work. But didn't help.
Guys, I think I fucked up some stuff.
Before I packed up the GPUs and sent it off to be repaired to one of these guys, I watched the footage back and I saw that new frames were completely clean. No glitches, no corruptions, no artifacts. VRAM somehow gets corrupted when it wakes up from sleep. I told myself, hey, okay, something's definitely wrong with Linux, but how about Windows? I restarted and booted into Windows, and guess what? It works fine as hell. No artifacts, no glitches, both GPUs are recognized, both GPUs are okay. So my GPUs weren't broken, it was Linux. Booting back to Linux, everything was fine on Linux as if nothing had ever happened, so I confirmed that it had to do with sleep mode. After wasting almost a week on this, I finally have figured it out. It's all about the display configuration. When waking up from sleep, if the monitors wake up in the same order they were set in display config, there's no problem. But if they don't, you'll see artifacts, maybe on the first monitor, maybe the second, maybe both. So what's the solution? Just make sure the second monitor is turned off before turning on the PC or waking it up from sleep. Sometimes you gotta improvise. If you talk for real though, this seems like a race condition to me. For those who don't know what a race condition is, I hope you learned something. Subscribe for more awesome videos just like this. Subscribe.